Emirgan Park and Istanbul Tulip Festival. Welcome to the breathtaking beauty of Emirgan Park, one of Istanbul's most iconic green spaces. We begin our journey high above, with stunning aerial views captured by the DJI Neo drone. As the camera gracefully descends, the Bosphorus Strait comes into view, shimmering under the morning light, an enchanting prelude to the floral wonders that await. Gliding over the treetops, we now witness the Tulip Festival in full bloom, a riot of color that seems to stretch endlessly across the landscape. Every April, this park becomes a painter's palette, bursting with vibrant hues and mesmerizing patterns. The Istanbul Tulip Festival, or Leyla Festivali in Turkish, is a celebration of nature, culture, and history. It was first launched in 2006 by the Istanbul Metropolitan Municipality to revive Turkey's deep-rooted love for tulips. Yes, tulips are not originally Dutch. They're native to Central Asia and were brought to Europe from the Ottoman Empire during the 16th century. In fact, the tulip became the symbol of an entire era, the tulip era, Lale Devri, in the early 1700s during Sultan Ahmed III's reign. It was a period of peace, prosperity, and artistic flowering. Today, the Tulip Festival honors this rich past, while turning Istanbul into a real-life kaleidoscope every spring. Now, we touch down onto the vibrant earth. Filmed from the ground with a phone camera, the view is no less spectacular. The sheer variety of tulip colors, fiery reds, electric yellows, royal purples, and snow whites, are arranged in intricate patterns that dazzle the eyes and stir the soul. It's not just a garden, it's an emotional explosion of color and harmony. Every corner of Emirgan Park tells a story. This historic park dates back to the Ottoman period, and it once belonged to Egyptian Khedive Ismail Pasha. Spread across 117 acres, it's home to century-old trees, 3 beautiful Ottoman-style pavilions, and panoramic terraces overlooking the Bosphorus. During April, it transforms into a living museum of tulips. Over 120 different species are planted annually. Families stroll, couples pose for selfies, and photographers chase the perfect shot. The fresh spring air carries the scent of nature in full celebration. Every flower bed is a piece of art, many designed in shapes like tulips, crescents, or even the Turkish flag. For flower lovers and travel enthusiasts alike, Emirgan Park during the Tulip Festival is pure bliss. Whether you come for the history, the views, or the endless floral beauty, Emirgan Park in April is where Istanbul shows its softest, most poetic side. It's a reminder that sometimes all it takes to feel wonder again is to stop and smell the tulips.